Hi guys, hello and welcome back. The summer is over and the videos are gonna be coming back soon. So I'm not gonna waste your time and we jump into the first video. The first thing is a new airdrop activity that has been confirmed, which you can go and earn right now, all for free. I will leave you the link down below. It's called the floppy.sol. So it is over on the Solana page. And over here, you simply come here. You go and do all of your things. You mint a key, you generate, you copy both, you say hello, you did all of those things, and you are good to go. Super easy, super chill, free, and it only takes 5 minutes. So make sure to go and do it. And next up, I also want to mention, guys, over here on a breakout, I am partnered with them. They are a prop firm, and right now is the best way to go and trade because you're not using your own money. So as we see here, for example, you can buy a $10,000 funded account for only 40 bucks, and I did it with them, and I managed to grow one of their account that I bought. I bought the 50k one, and I managed to grow it and make about 5 to 6k profit on it. I withdrew it, I took the money out, and I went and bought my girlfriend a nice little gift. This little new MacBook, the green one. So I would definitely recommend it. It's a payout. This was gotten for me with my own money that I made through them. So amazing. And I would recommend it to you also a lot to go and do it for yourself. So make sure to go and utilize by the evaluation. $65 for 10k. You basically go and trade with 10k instead of $65, and it's only $65 of your money. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and utilize it. You also get a discount code if you follow my link. And also, I'm not gonna waste you with your trading. If you want trading infos or tips and tricks, I do have a Telegram. Make sure to join there, and I will leave you all the trading right there. Next up, we also have the Linera. As we see here, there is a new community round for Linera, which you could be a little bit interested in. So I will leave the link down below. You simply go over here to the pre-register and you go and check out whether or not you are eligible for register or not. You simply go then and deposit your money. You continue and you do all of this, but I'm not gonna waste your time. Next up, as we see here, we have the Claynor's token airdrop checker is now live. So make sure if you're eligible and you're holding the Claynor's or the Popkins, which I do believe they are NFTs. I haven't checked on this during the summer, but simply come here, sign in to claim with your wallet, and you are good to go. Continue with the wallet, and you put the Phantom, the backpack is definitely on Solana, as we see here. So simply make sure to go and do what you need to do and go and claim your allocation to connect the wallet. It is super, super simple, but I personally am not in for this airdrop because I didn't even know about it. So this is a claim that you can go and do. But as you see here, you connect your wallet and you are good to go. And if you have this one, it's because you are not eligible. Next up, we also have the Commons Made drop is now live. You log in, you go to your profile, you go to the dashboard, you expand the balance, and you claim the first airdrop. Now, it's a little bit of a peanuts. This account that I follow, they are quite big. It is, as we see here, $93. So it's a bit of a peanut airdrop, but you could be interested if you did receive it and if you did utilize it, if you did do it, make sure to go and connect with the Twitter, with anything else, and you are good to go and check your allocation. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Super quick, easy video to come back to it. Make sure to go and trade because now is a great moment, in my opinion, to go and trade. We are looking at something really, really cool. But with that said, thank you for watching and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.